Watch this engine assemble itself. If you're trying to build an AI agent from scratch right now, stop. Drop what you're doing. You can instantly deploy a fully autonomous system using 80 battle-tested templates, letting your application build itself in minutes. Right now, every company is racing to ship autonomous systems, but under the hood, engineers are burning weeks wrestling with broken API integrations, trying to force models to remember previous conversations, and fighting crippling latency. The plumbing is eating up all the development time. That massive bottleneck is why the awesome AI Apps repository exists. Created by developer Arindam 2020, it serves as a comprehensive arsenal of open-source boiler code designed to completely eliminate the friction of standing up advanced AI workflows. Look at the sheer density of this resource. Over 12,000 developers have started, tapping into a sprawling network of more than 80 individual projects, covering everything from simple automations to complex multi-agent swarms. This repository operates as a complete curriculum. It accelerates your workflow from absolute basics straight through to enterprise-grade autonomy. The easiest way to grasp the scale of this repository is to start right at the foundation. Inside the Starter and Simple Agents folders, you find the essential building blocks. Instead of reading documentation for days, you grab pre-configured LangChain workflows and lightweight OpenAI wrappers. You swap in your API keys, hit run, and your basic chatbot is live instantly. These templates come pre-wired for high-performance setups like Nebulous. You can launch tools that scrape web data or manage your Google Calendar without needing a machine learning background to get the code compiling. By stripping out the initial configuration barriers, you skip the environment setup phase entirely. Your prototyping cycle shrinks from weeks down to hours. Once your agent exists, it needs to interact with the real world. The repository escalates directly into giving your AI senses, starting with the Voice Agents folder. Watch how raw audio is processed here. The repo provides deep integrations with LiveKit, taking chaotic human speech and converting it into smooth data streams with sub-second latency. This allows developers to build customer support agents that respond instantly, bypassing awkward conversational pauses. But hearing isn't helpful if the agent lacks knowledge. That's where the RAG Applications folder comes in, giving your system the ability to digest massive archives of dense text. Notice how this document is sorted and mapped. This is Agentic RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. The code uses Quadrant and Exa to shatter massive enterprise PDFs, indexing the data points so the model can pull highly specific, context-aware answers from thousands of pages. Combining sub-second voice latency with this deep document retrieval grounds the AI in factual evidence. By forcing the model to rely on provided context rather than its own training data, these architectures provide a practical way to anchor AI outputs and minimize factual errors. But we still face one major hurdle. The AI can listen and it can read, but it can't execute actions. To fix that, we look at the repository's most powerful section, the MCP Agents folder. Standard language models are trapped inside a chat window. They can tell you how to update a database or write a script, but they remain isolated from the actual tools required to execute those actions. The Model Context Protocol breaks this isolation. MCP acts as a secure bridge, routing the model's intentions into external tools. The repo provides the exact boilerplate so your agent can query Couchbase databases, analyze GitHub repositories, and spin up Docker environments to test code. MCP takes an AI that was previously a passive conversation partner and turns it into an active, executing machine capable of performing tangible engineering work. Which brings us to the very top of the mountain. The Advanced Agents folder gathers all these isolated skills together, showcasing production-ready pipelines like automated deep research tools and AI hedge funds. This modular approach changes the development baseline. Instead of writing custom integration code for every single task, these templates allow developers to orchestrate multiple specialized agents that collaborate to solve more complex, multi-stage problems. Look at this orchestration. A single developer, sitting at one laptop, orchestrates an entire swarm of specialized agents, each equipped with persistent memory, real-time voice, and secure direct access to external infrastructure. By providing 80 distinct project paths across every major AI framework, This repository serves as a functional blueprint for anyone looking to build and deploy production-ready autonomous tools. For more AI breakthroughs, subscribe now and watch our next deep dive into